Welcome back to the Derek Smith stock card opening series. I've got another 2023 Topps pack with 16 cards and then two 93 Fleers. So we're going to start with the 2023 Topps pack. Last episode I pulled the rookie Riley Green card. It's definitely my favorite pull. Let's see what we get this week. See this one, Nick Pivetta. There, Rafael Devers, one of the dominant third basemen in the MLB right now. He is fun to watch play. If you're a Yankees fan, you probably don't like watching him, but Joe Barlow, he's a solid pitcher. The Cleveland Guardians, they had a great year. Let's see this one. Nolan Gorman. Oh, this is awesome. A Shohei Ohtani. It'll be interesting to see how he bounces back from his second Tommy John surgery. I'm rooting for him, but that's a lot of adversity to face. CJ Cron. Luis Garcia. Juan Soto. Back when he was playing with the Padres. Definitely boosted the Yankees lineup. He was a big pickup for them. And Bryce Harper. Now, the 93 Fleer, there's a bunch of cool cards we could get. I'm a big Wade Boggs fan. Or Wade Boggs, yeah. But what I meant to say was Tony Gwynn. Kind of just blinked out. Tony Gwynn, I could pull a Nolan Ryan, Ricky Henderson, Ken Griffey Jr. Bunch of cool cards to look for. Is that Don Mattingly? First card, awesome pull. Tom Glavine. Ryan Sandberg. Man, this was an awesome first pack. Pulling some big names right off the bat. For the longest time, I thought it was Ryan Sandberg. Kind of missed the memo on that. And I hope I'm getting all these cards in. Got an awkward vantage point. Oh, that's 2 weeks in a row. But that's the last card. It's another crazy pull. Another Tom Glavine and Ryan Sandberg. Kirby Puckett. He's got a pretty cool story. Kirby Puckett. Basically, everyone told him he was, too short to make it in the MLB and ended up being a very dominant player. But Mark McGwire on the back is very dominant for his time. So a lot of great cards to choose from this week. Mark McGwire, Kirby Puckett. Again, pulling out my favorites right now. The Shohei Ohtani. So right there's the top 3 pulls this week. And I'll catch you guys later.